In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a backup from Hostinger. Ensuring that you have a reliable backup of your website is vital to maintaining its integrity and security. Whether you're planning to make major changes to your site or just want to make sure that you're safeguarded against unexpected data loss, having a backup on hand is a fundamental best practice. So, let's dive right in and show you how to do this on Hostinger. First, you need to access the Backups panel. Start by logging into your Hostinger account via the H panel. This is the central hub for managing all aspects of your website hosted with Hostinger, and accessing it is as simple as entering your credentials in the login page. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. You need to navigate to the Websites section and go into the dashboard for the specific site that you wish to back up. It's worth noting here that if you manage multiple sites, you'll need to select the right one to avoid downloading files from the wrong site. On the left menu, you'll see Backups. Click on that. This will take you to the panel where you can manage all your backup tasks. Next, we move on to downloading the files backup. In the panel, you'll see a tab labeled Restore and Download. Once you're in that tab, focus on the Files Backups section. Now you'll be able to see a drop-down list. This feature allows you to select from various backup dates based on past backups that have been automatically saved. Choosing the right date is crucial, particularly if you're looking to retrieve data from a specific point in time. Once you've made your choice about which date you want to back up from, simply click the Download Files button. At this point, you will need to show a bit of patience. The system will begin preparing your backup for download, and the preparation time can vary depending on the size of your site and the backup itself. Don't worry if it takes a little while. This process ensures that you get a complete and intact archive of your files. Once the backup is ready, a download link will appear. This download typically comes in the form of a .tar.gz archive, which is a widely used format for compressing a collection of files together, making it easier to handle and transfer large sets of data. Simply click on the link that appears, and your backup will download directly to your device. Ensure that you store this file securely where it can be easily accessed whenever you need it. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded a backup from Hostinger. With these backups safely stored, you can now proceed with confidence, knowing you've taken solid steps to protect your website. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy hosting.